Well, one of our gCADPlus users has asked for a little guidance on how do you make symbols that reflect the species being used in a design. And she's particularly interested in the grey parrot pea, which is an understory plant found in dry sclerophyll scrubland. And here's a little shot of the habit of the plant, and you can see it's quite a striking plant and well suited for native garden planting in Australia. But the principles of making a symbol that will reflect the particular species is quite straightforward. So let's swing to gCADPlus now, and I'll zoom out a little. What I've done is take an image of the species, and you can get one from the internet, and then use format in your image editor or draw and raster image up, or pop the image manager, and you'll just add the image file, and then you can place it in your design next to the symbol that you're making. And I find that really helpful, because in this case I want to sort of get the feeling of the flower cluster and the fact that the leaves are very much reduced on sort of grey stems. I've set up two layers, a construction layer and a plant symbol layer. I've left layer 0 the current layer, so you can see if I select the circle, that's a circle of radius 500, the diameter is a metre, so this symbol can be brought in. It will come in at a metre in diameter. There's also let me just turn off the symbol layer for the moment. I've also put a point marker in the centre of the circle. And if we look at the point styles, I've set point styles at a plus sign through the point and a percentage of window height 1.5. What that means is that we can just turn off the symbol layer and we're left with just a circle and a plus sign, which is quite good for the construction team. So let's go back to turn off our symbol layer, our construction layer, and there's our symbol. And we can now get rid of the image file. We've finished with that, so let's delete it, and do go to your images tool and delete it. Don't just unload it, but delete it. So now we have, if we zoom extents, something must be left out here. Maybe we need to regen and zoom extents, and there's our symbol all ready to use in a new drawing, and it will come in anchored, or will it? Let's just check. I was going to say come in anchored at the middle, alpha line, and hit the enter key. First point 0, 0, that's the base point of the drawing, and that's where it will come in. So I'm confident now that when I make this symbol, I can use it, and it's a named species, if you like. I've called it Dillwyllia cinerascens, the proper botanical name of this one, where I'm trying to capture the feel of that particular species. So I hope that helps in making a symbol which suits the gCADPlus environment. You can put it into your library and plants and name species. So there's a list of